And the next thing we need are templates. Well, you actually don't need this, but I recommend you to have some templates, and you probably will kind of have a vocabulary of templates when you get some practice. But as examples, let's say that you could have like this kind of mountain thing. This is a mountain. If I put some color there, it's going to be less confusing because there's too many drawings in the same page. If there's a mountain, there is like a goal here, and maybe you have step 1, 2, 3, 4 like on the way, and you can kind of explain something like 4 steps or 3 steps to reach whatever theory that way. So it's quite visual, and people will remember the analogy or the metaphor of the mountain. Then, for example, there is the boat thingy. So here on the boat, you can draw like someone inside, for example, which kind of stands for the team. Then you have like this wing that kind of blows the boat, so that means strength of the team. And then you have this thingy here to stop the boat. What's the name of the anchor? Anchor. This can mean, for example, weaknesses of the team, and then you can kind of draw them there or whatever. So yeah, and then you can go farther and kind of draw an island and say, okay, these are the goals of the team. Yeah, and you can kind of write some keywords there, and everybody's gonna remember the picture. Other things, for example, the kind of the graph thingy, like okay. In this workshop, there are like, I don't know, 3 people from this country, 2 people from that country, and the majority are from Azerbaijan. So you kind of draw it. You don't have to write on a list these things because people will remember it better. Then you can also use the arrows you've been practicing before, but then put numbers on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, like day 1, day 2, day 3, or step 1, step 2, step 3, whatever. What else do we have? Like this kind of circles, one inside of the other one, and maybe whatever you have in the center, it's the core idea. Then you have like an important idea outside and the more superficial one. Guys, this is what we used for the socio-ecological model, for example. Yeah. So yeah, like, and you can come up with your own templates, and then you have them, and if you're taking notes on a place, and then people say, so step 1, and you say, I'm gonna use the mountain here, and it's really cool. Like they think you just came up with it at the moment, but you didn't. Same as with all of the rest of the vocabulary, basically.